Welcome to Employee Lifecycle module of ERPNext. Starting with the Employee Onboarding Template, we offer a customizable onboarding template to streamline the process, set up automated workflows and tasks, track progress, and get notifications. This is an example Employee Onboarding Template. You can add the title, the company name, department, designations, and employee grade. Assign the activities according to the employee job descriptions. It can include the user ID login, orientation, add the user, begin on day, and the durations of day, and simply save it. This is employee onboarding. Once you make the template, you can configure it to the employee profile. Our employee onboarding module makes it easy to get new hires up to speed. Digital paperwork and agreements, training assignments and tracking, welcome messages and company info, automated workflow for HR and IT. Once you attach the template, the activities will be configured on their own in the employee profile. You can also notify the user through an email by checking this option. You can view the project assigned to this particular employee. Project type are the activated, percentage of the completion, percentage completed, and all the various other options. You can also assign them tasks. As you can see, these have been already configured. Furthermore, while onboarding an applicant, you can make them employee and the whole data will be captured automatically in the employee top tab. You can also update the boarding status. It can be completed, cancelled, or pending. Furthermore, is the grievance type. They take employee concerns seriously. Multiple grievances types can be configured. Anonymous reporting options, automated escalations, and notifications can be helped through this grievance type. You can also add the whole form along with the description and save it. Furthermore, we have employee grievances. All you have to do is to simply add the subject, raise by, against party, grievance against, grievances type. So this all can be achieved through new employee grievance, and it can also be done anonymously. Furthermore, we have module for talent management as well. You can set the employee skills map to identify the strengths and weaknesses, create Personalized development plans, assign training and development opportunities, track progress. In the employee skill map, you have to configure the name of employee, the skill set that is required, the trainings that can be required for achieving those skill sets. You can also note the proficiency and the evaluation dates. This is the first step towards the talent management. Then we have an option of the training program. You can offer range of training programs for leadership development, technical skill training, soft skill trainings, and compliance trainings. This is a training program. The status, it can be scheduled, completed, or cancelled. The trainer name, trainer email, and the descriptions can also be added. Furthermore, we have you can add the employees for attendees, their status, are they open, invited, completed, and the feedback they have submitted. Through this, the employee will automatically get notified that they have to be the participant of this particular training program because all of these job types are interlinked together. Then we have training feedback. The employees can add the training feedback. Furthermore, training results of the particular training can be accessed through this job type. The attendees who participated, the hours they have taken the training, grades, and their comments. Furthermore, we have daily work summary options. Daily work summary helps the teams to collaborate, share updates and progress, assign tasks and responsibilities, track team performances. Daily work summary group. This helps teams to respond updates, offer helps to guidances. As you can see, the user send email, reminder, and their message. Their replies can also be tracked through configuring the group. Furthermore, we have reports, employee exit report. When an employee leaves the company, this will help you to track the employee exit requests for the clearance process, final settlements, and feedback collections. As you can see that you can track the total resignations within seconds through this dashboard. Total resignations, pending interviews, pending full and final settlements, and pending questionnaires. This is the exit questionnaires. And these are the employees, their date of joining, their relieving date, and their interview statuses. Employee birthday. Our system automatically sends a personalized birthday message to employees on their special days. This is an employee and this is their birthday. Employee information. It helps you to keep all employee information up to date. Employee analytics. Get valuable insights into your workforce for employee engagement, performance metrics, turnover rates, and training effectiveness. You can track the employee analytics through the branch. All the employees with the same branch will be configured in this set through the grade, through the department, and their designations and employment type. That's simple. ERPNext Masters is everything you need to manage your workforce effectively. Book your demo. Thank you.